Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about a surprising secret that's hidden inside a word you use every single day. Seriously, it's a word so common you've probably never even given it a second thought. And that word is end. Yep, just end. It's short, it's direct, it seems totally obvious, but what if I told you there's way more to it than meets the eye? I mean, we use it all the time, right? The end of a sentence, the end of a movie, the end of the day. But this one little word holds a fascinating key to how we communicate and understand each other, not just here, but across the entire globe. Okay, so first step, let's look at end when it's a verb, when it's a word that's actually doing something. The definition is about as simple as it gets. As a verb, its whole job is to make things stop. It's the opposite of begin. It's the finish line for some kind of action. So in this sentence, the movie is performing a really clear action. It is doing something. It's stopping. The action is definite, and the result is final. No question about it. And of course, like pretty much any regular verb, it changes its form depending on when things are happening. A meeting ends. It ended yesterday. Or maybe it's ending right now. Simple enough. But the story definitely doesn't stop there. Okay, now let's switch gears. Let's see what happens when end isn't an action at all, but a place. We're going to shift from the act of stopping to the actual location of the stop. You see, as a noun, end has a totally different personality. It's not about putting a stop to something. It's about being the point where something is stopped. It's the destination, not the journey. And this example shows it perfectly. It's a physical location, the very last part of the rope. You can touch it, you can point to it. It's a real, tangible spot in space. So here's the crucial distinction, right? As a verb, end is an action. As a noun, it's a location. One is dynamic, it's always moving, while the other is static, it stays put. That is a powerful amount of duality packed into one tiny three-letter word. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's straightforward. Lots of words do double duty like this. But trust me, there's a hidden layer to this word's identity, a reason it was chosen for a very specific and very important purpose. The whole secret is found in this number right here, 850. Now, this isn't random. It's the key to understanding why end is so much more than just a common word. So what does this number mean? It means N is part of a super exclusive club. It's part of the foundational toolkit for the entire English language. So it turns out the word end was specifically chosen to be on something called the Basic English 850 list. This was this huge project to create a simplified version of English for clear global communication, using only the 850 most essential words. So our simple word isn't just common. It's officially one of the most fundamental concepts in our language. It was literally handpicked as a word so essential you could use it to explain almost anything to almost anyone, anywhere in the world. And this is where it all comes together. Being on this special list reveals why and actually matters to all of us, whether we're just learning English or we've been speaking it our entire lives. You see, the whole goal of basic English was to use powerful words that you just can't misunderstand to express complex ideas simply. And the reason end is on that list is because the concept of an end, well, it's universal. Everyone, everywhere understands what it means. By focusing on these core words, we're building a foundation for clearer communication. We're creating a kind of bridge between languages and cultures, and it proves that sometimes the most basic tools are actually the most powerful ones. So the next time you use a simple word like end, just remember the power it holds. It's not just a word, it's a piece of a universal code for understanding, which, leaves us with a final thought to chew on. If we can say so much with so little, what are all our other more complicated words really for?